Hello, everyone. I hope you are having a very good and healthy new year of 2021. This is my first video of the year, and I'm really glad to come in front of you. So one of the reason why I chose to make this video is very simple, is to inspire others who may not come from traditional IT background to go and achieve something that is within the IT field. So what I did over the last 3 months in 2020, October, November, and December, I pursued three specific certificates, but it never started out to achieve a certificate. Mid-year of last, I was working on a project where I applied Scrum and Agile methodology to an extent. And I have to mention that to an extent, I was trying to learn and understand what Scrum and Agile is all about. And I experimented a little bit as I applied it in my project. I was very intrigued by the fact that it really works. And I was intrigued by the fact that it worked for me. And from there, with some curiosity, I signed up on my own for a Scrum Alliance training over a weekend. And because of COVID, it was provided, this instructor-led course was provided online, fully virtually. And I attended the course, passed the exam, so I was motivated. About at the same time, I was hearing a lot about cloud computing, what is cloud, and so on. And one of the things that I did is because of that curiosity, I signed up for AWS free tier account. And once I signed up for the AWS free tier account, what I did is I started learning and playing with it. So if you don't know, Amazon Web Services or AWS provides a very generous free tier account where you can actually open up your account and start playing with it without paying a single dime. This is, if you are not aware of it, please go ahead and search AWS on Google or your favorite search engine and sign up for AWS. As I was playing with this free tier account, I wanted to put some structure around my learning. And one of the ways I thought that I can throw some structure around my learning so that not only I read for the sake of reading or learning, I actually internalize that learning through retention. So what I did, I asked my brother, who is an IT professional, is how can I put some structure? And that's when I got introduced to the certifications. And so first thing I did is that because I'm not from IT background, I started with the foundation. So there's a foundational certificate called AWS Cloud Practitioner. So I started about a month on top of my regular job, and I wrote that exam in November. So curiosity turned into interest into passion. Once I write AWS Cloud Practitioner, I was amazed by the possibilities that cloud can unleash. While I'm still trying to learn more about Google Cloud or Microsoft Azure, I am convinced that the cloud has really big things to offer to traditional industries. So, and you can watch multitude of videos online if you want to know more about advantages of cloud computing. So I'm not going to bore you to death with my opinions on that. So the next thing what I did, as I write my exam, I came out, I signed up for the next exam, not right away. I gave myself one day to breathe. And then over the next couple of weeks, I was reading, I signed up for a couple of more trainings online for writing the Solution Architect Associate, which is the next level up. So I was thinking about when to write. So I think it's December 12th or 13th, that weekend, I decided to write first thing in the new year. So January 9th, I found the first date and time, and I signed up for that. The good thing was, because I wanted to take full advantage of my December break. So I had a break from December 18th, Friday, until January 3rd. And those 15 or odd days, I wanted to make sure that I read and I study. But I never thought that it would be so hard. So it turned out to be more challenging than Cloud Practitioner. So keep in mind, if you are not from traditional IT background and you're trying to pass this exam, But it really helped me push and learn more, like FAQs, like frequently asked questions, knowledge center, tons of video, reinvent video that came out from the last 2-3 years, even including some of the videos from this year, as well as lots of learning. So I signed up for Stephen Marek's course on Udemy. I signed up for Neil Davis's course and Digital Cloud, and I also signed up for Adrian Cantrell's course. So I have posted my links below, but with those courses and with my free tier account, I was able to actually, and lots of learning. I was actually learning 10 hours plus each day for 15 days, including the New Year day. I wanted to make sure that I can ace that course and exam. So really pleased with my result. So Scrum Master, Cloud Practitioner, and now Solution Architect Associate as of January 9th. So why did I make this video? I made these videos to inspire others who may not come from traditional IT background, but who may be thinking about possibly diversifying some of the skill set. And I think if you are looking for something, if you are searching for what can I study, how can I make sure that I stand out, I don't know whether you will land a job. That's a different question right after you have certificate. But I think what I am trying to portray is that if you are trying to add tools that is more relevant and more of this time from now, then I think cloud is a good option for you to think about. So hopefully you feel inspired. So you may be asked the question, what is next for me? So for me, this year I plan to write 2 more associate level certificates. One is SysOps and one is System Admin from AWS. I do not plan to go through that intense study. Well, obviously it's not possible because I do not have 15 days of gap, but it was really helpful to actually do that during that time. And I'm really proud and happy about the fact that I was able to make use of that time very productively during December, January timeframe. So if you are looking for something, feel inspired. I hope you feel very motivated, and you will go cloud. I think this will become part of our life going forward. I plan to make some videos this year with a few plans that I have, and hopefully I will be able to see you very soon. Have a good one.